Good morning, guys. I have a lot to do today. So as you can tell by the title, we've got cleaning to do. I'm going to show you the current situation of my apartment. Am I proud of this? No. If you know anything about me, I'm a very clean person. I don't like mess. It bugs me. I'm just like, eh. But the past 3 weeks, I have not been able to be home. So the place is a disaster. So I decided I'm taking advantage of the situation. We are going to start a new series on this channel of monthly cleanings. Anytime that I am distressed, aggravated, frustrations are occurring in my body, I clean. I don't know why, but it's just a thing. I really need that right now. I'm having a hard time at work and life sucks right now. But you know what doesn't suck? Cleaning. Some people would disagree. I don't know why it makes me feel like I have a sense of control, I think. Let me show you the current state of this apartment and what we are dealing with. So here is the living room. Don't worry, I know you can't see it. I'll show you. We have takeout bags right there. So yeah, this is the living room. We have a giant bean bag right here. That's not supposed to be here. Let's see. The hallway is pretty clear. I do have my book bag. That's obviously not supposed to be there. I need to move that basket, like that blanket basket, over here to cover that. That's what it's meant for. I feel like this desk is always just a mess, so we're gonna clean that off. I got a new rug for the patio. I'm gonna do like a patio renovation, so that'll be really fun. Or I guess decoration. I can't do much because I rent. So that's gonna go out there. That's a mess. We had a web series that we were shooting. There were 2 full weekends, actually a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday situation for 2 weekends straight that we had to not be home and we were filming until like 2 a.m. That is the aftermath of that. Also, I had headshots. I'm an actress. I'm assuming you know that. If not, there you go. Did a lot of shoots, basically. Moving on. I had a photo shoot. So when you do a photo shoot, you have to bring a bunch of clothing options. So I literally just shoved them all in the bag with also the things I had to bring to shoot, and I just haven't put any of it away. But now's the day to do it, so we're fine. It's okay. We're gonna get there. This is the current state of the bathroom. Mom, don't look at that. That's your birthday present. Yeah. Hi. This is not... We have this little like loop at the bottom of the shower curtain. It gets water caught in it, and so things, you know, happen, grow. We use bleach. It's fine, but it's starting again, so I need to clean it. I need to clean the towels. I need to do laundry. This mirror is also disgusting. Look at that. I hope the audio has been working this whole time because it's blinking red. Just another problem of my life. I'm gonna go check that real quick, and then we're gonna get started with cleaning. Let's get to it. Chop, chop. My microphone is charging, so I'm sorry for this audio. This will be quick, I promise. So I think what I decided is I'm going to tackle one room at a time because this is a little overwhelming and I feel like it's gonna take me all day if I don't do that. So, living room first. I'm also going to be watching Miss Remy Cruz on my TV because we love her. Also Alicia Marie and Ali and the whole gang because I'm obsessed with them. Anyway, so we're gonna watch that, clean all this up, take that back into the correct room and knock it out. Let's go. we are pausing the queens. I'm finished with the living room. Oh my gosh. It looks so much better. Beanbag officially gone. It's clean. The only thing is that cord for Chase's laptop. I don't know, I'll just leave it. It's 10:19, so that took, I don't know when I started. I should have tracked it. So next we'll do the dining room. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this desk, sweep, and pick up Chase's stuff. Just do a little bit, you know? It doesn't need much in here, but just like enough to make it not look disgusting. Let's go. I'm proud of the work I've done so far. It looks so much better. Oh my God. I'm like, Chase is actually on his way home because he's not feeling super great. So he's gonna come home early from work. So I'm still cleaning because your girl's gotta do what she's gotta do, you know? I'm gonna go and do the bedroom. That way if like he needs to lay down, there's not stuff everywhere. So we're gonna tackle that next. Let's go. So this thing kind of happened where I was cleaning in there and then like I had a piece of clothing and then I just kind of like threw it into the pile that was already formed. So there's like more now than there was at the beginning, but it's okay, we got this. I'm actually gonna make the bed first, that way I have something to like put all these clothes on. I actually kind of need to wash the sheets. Let's do that. New plan. I am also thinking about Chase if he needs to lay down. We can put a new set of sheets on these if he needs to do that, but they really need to be cleaned. We've been talking about cleaning them for a while now, so I think he'll understand. So it's 11:30 and this is where we are. Sheets are being washed, as you know. We have cleaned my side of the mess. Here we are, over there, pretty good. I'm not super sure what Chase wants to do with his stuff. I would put it away, but I don't know what's clean and what's dirty, so I might just kind of plop it on the bed for now and just like still sweep and things on his side, just because I want everything good. I just don't know what he wants to do with the stuff. So I'm tired. But we're gonna do that next and then probably get lunch. Since he's here, we can just go out. I still gotta do the bathroom, which is gonna be a lot, but we're so close. I can feel it. I think I wanna jam out to some music. You know what we're gonna listen to? If you know, you know. Hello, it is 12:10. Bedroom is finished, thank God. That was a situation. We knocked it out. I dusted in here, I swept, picked everything up obviously. I went ahead and dusted all of Chase's side. He actually went ahead and picked up some of his clothes as well, which is awesome. I already switched over the laundry, so the sheets are in the dryer and the comforter's washing now, so that's good. I think I'm gonna go grab some lunch. Oh my God, my hair, because it's about that time, and then I'm gonna try to tackle the bathroom. And the only thing I have left is the bathroom and the kitchen. I don't wanna do the kitchen. But I'll probably film that for you guys. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but the kitchen needs to be done. We might do the bathroom until Chase is ready, so let's get started. Just a little reminder on where we are in the bathroom. And then that's already cleared off, which is great. Let's get to work.
If I slip into the ocean, swallow me up in one motion, though. Seize my queen, I show devotion. Where's my lifeline, Mr. Bosun? I ain't ready to let go now. I ain't ready to let go. I ain't ready to let go. I ain't ready to let go now. Ready to let go now. Ready to let go now.
When I tell you this stuff gets the job done, I'm not kidding around. Ugh, I am getting sleepy. It is 1 o'clock, 12:59. Pretty much 1 o'clock. I'm pretty much done with the bathroom. I just need to sweep in here. We are going to take a quick break. Lunch is ready, so I'm gonna go and pick that up, and then Chase and I are gonna eat real quick, and then I'm gonna come back to it. But let's go get some food. Also, I washed the comforter. So it is drying on our little tier situation. I kind of just wanna like, woo, you know, but I'd fall. But it's very tempting. The pollen is so insane. I just washed my car. For $18, I just washed it and now the pollen's everywhere. Honestly, I am so happy to see pollen because I am so ready for warm weather. This Chase's. Look how yummy that looks. So we went to Pinyo. This is like a Greek place. And I got chicken, lettuce, onion, tomato. I don't like tomatoes, so I'm gonna put those to the side. It's just like a wrap, so I'm gonna eat this. This is not pretty. All right guys, lunch break is done. It is 2:25. I actually talked to my mom for a little bit on the phone. So we're getting back a little late, but that is okay. Food was yummy, as you saw. I was so hungry, and honestly, I'm kind of tired and I don't want to finish, but we're gonna finish because we need to. Bathroom's pretty much done. I'm just gonna sweep real quick and then on to the kitchen. And the kitchen is the last room we're doing, so we're making it. I could seriously take a nap right now. Okay. No. Alright, let's go. Hurry up now. Dun, dun, dun. The dreaded kitchen. I guess it's not too bad. I just gotta do dishes, and I don't want to do dishes. This is the last room of the entire apartment. So holy crap. Well, besides like the spare bathroom and spare bedroom, but Chase is working in there, and I think we've tackled enough. So this is the last room that we're doing. Let's get into it. We're done. You guys, it is 3:41. That was a whole day of cleaning, but we did it. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for cleaning with me. It was a lot of fun. The place looks so much better. So don't forget to like this video. Also leave me a comment down below if you like this kind of thing. Stay tuned for next month. I will be doing it again. Hopefully it's not as bad, but we'll see. But thanks so much for watching. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys super soon with a brand new one. I'm not sure what video I'm doing next, but stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.